Hi, I'm Thomas with Genesis Appliance Repair, and today I'm going to do a quick video about what you need to have to start doing DIY appliance repairs. The first thing you're going to need is a screwdriver. Ratcheting one is awesome. This Craftsman is amazing. You're going to need a multimeter to ohm things out, a flashlight. These things are awesome, they're rechargeable. Wire cutters and strippers. One of these things for those times that you don't need to go all out, and some of these when you are splicing wires together. I know it's short and sweet, but that's all you need. I'm going to try to upload more videos each week and maybe go to other people's houses and shoot some videos for you. Alright, make sure you like and subscribe, you know, all that jazz, and I will see y'all next week.